Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email on your iPhone. Now, whether you have a Gmail, a Yahoo email, or any other email address, you can always set it up so that you can check it on the default email app on your iPhone. I'll show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. From here, scroll down. So you're going to tap on Screen Time, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, this will prevent you from creating that new email account on your iPhone. So just toggle this off. After you've done that, tap the back arrow again, and scroll to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom. Scroll down until you find Mail on this list. Tap on Mail. Tap on Mail Accounts at the top. Next, tap on Add an Account at the bottom. You can see it says enter your email address. Now, this is the default easy way for you to essentially just add your email account to the list. So on here, all you need to do is tap on it, and you can enter in your email. Let me, for instance, just enter in trevor.gmail.com as an example. After you're done with that, you can tap the next button at the top right. Or if you don't like that, you can hit choose from a list, that little link at the bottom. This will allow you to choose whether it's an iCloud email, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, or add other account. Essentially, this is if you have your own website or if there's some unusual custom emails. If you tap add other account, you'll be able to see on here, I can tap mail account. I'll have to enter in the name, the email address, the password, and then fill out the IMAP and SMTP manually. However, in most 99% of cases, you can just tap on your service. For instance, Google. Tap open browser, and you'll be able to see it immediately pops up with the browser. All you need to do is enter in your email and phone number, or enter in your email and password, and then it will go through the process of adding it. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. After you've added that email account, let me just go back out of here. You can tap on the account. You can see the label at the top. You can label it whatever you want. Make sure to toggle on email as well as the contacts, calendars, and notes that are associated with that email account. And then you can always go to account settings and make sure that the name and email address look good. After you've done that, hop out of here and just open up the email app, and it will start to populate all of the incoming and outgoing emails in your inbox, your sent, your junk, your trash, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.